I've been using my iPhone 16 Pro Max for about a week now, strictly as a camera that I've been going to consistently for a couple of reasons. I want to test out first how well these cameras are coming from iPhone 14 Pro Max, as well as the log footage. Now, the log footage so far has been very clean, which I've actually been very surprised. Although I haven't shot in the 4K 120 as of yet, simply because I've heard horror stories about the actual memory it eats up. So I've been only using it for 4K 60 and 4K 24. But even at 4K 24, it's been super clean. You could tell the dynamic range of this camera is significantly better. You could very well tell when I convert from Apple Log to a Rec709 that it comes out clean and precise. And there aren't those saturation issues or those attention to detail issues that I've had in previous cameras or I've had in some of my other professional cameras. Not saying that I can use this for everything I do, but I definitely could use it for the more mobile things that I do. But again, it's only been about a week with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I do have a lot of testing to do in low light, let's just say. Although I have been already in a couple of low light scenarios, which again, it came out super clean. I definitely need to test this out some more. When it comes to other factors like the macro lens on this and the new 48 megapixel wide angle. We shall see what comes up with it. Again, this is sort of a first impressions video. If you like these type of videos, do me a favor and just hit that like button so that way I can start making more of these. Get your feedback down below. And if you're an Android fan and you want to argue down in the comments below, I'm down for that too. Hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.